Hello guys, welcome back coders. Today we are diving deeper into Python programming by building on what we have learned so far. Remember the one math quiz we created in lesson 14? We are going to enhance it even more by adding a scoring system and a time limit. Okay, let's make the code that we let's answer the quiz. Answer the quiz. Okay, first we must create a score variable and make it equal to 0. Okay, for x in range 1000, as I said, a is equal to random randit and b is equal to random randit 1 to 10. Okay, now let's import random. Okay, don't worry if you don't know what this code do. We will tell you in the next lessons. But as you far this line of code and this line, what this do, they make a random number from 1 to 10. That's it. Let me run them for you that you see. Okay. As you can see, it means make a random number from 1 to 10. Did you see? Okay, let's go up. For the question, we must ask a question and save the answer here. Okay, let's ask the question. Input. Okay, the question is, let's ask the question here, enter the answer. In line up we print A and write it like this, B. Okay, and we want the answer input the answer. Okay, and then we check if A, as you can see, it's run the code right here. If A plus B equal to int, answer a score plus 1. But we don't want it. We just want to put a break here. Break. If A plus B is int, print the answer run, break. Else a score equal to a score plus 1. Now let's run it. Okay, 4 multiplied by 5, the answer is 20. 10 to 6, the answer is 60. Okay, let's answer this wrong. As you can see, the score is 2. We print the score is. Okay, as you can see, let's run it again. 100 and a wrong answer. The score is 1. The code is doing great. Okay. Great job. You have created a more interactive and challenging math quizzes and programming quizzes in this course. Okay. In our next lesson, we will introduce a new data structure called list. Lists are incredibly versatile and will allow us to store collection of items. Okay, we are at the end of this lesson. This program is an easy program and first complex code that you write, and it's a beautiful one. You can make it better, but by hardening the questions or making the score like this. The score is equal to score A plus B. To make it better, okay, like that, it's give us the score is 32. This is or you can harden it by putting these two number. Okay, as you can see, it's now asked the question from 10 to 100. Okay, this is the end. In the next session, we will dive deeper and deeper in the list function. List is one of the most important things that you must learn for programming. Have a good day. And for the next session, we don't have any quiz or exercises. But if you want, you can practice on making this code beautifuler and better. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.